This video will help you learn about organizing and storing your genealogy research, whether you're using paper, online sites, or computer software. My name is Mary. I'm an amateur genealogist. I've been researching my family for about 20 years. This is the second video in the series. Let's get organized. There's no one best way to organize your genealogy information. If you are among 10 genealogists, you may get as many as 10 different opinions as how to go about it. We'll take a look at some of the options and some of the tools, and you'll find what works best for you. Some people prefer to keep everything on paper. If this is your choice, invest in some 3-ring binders, dividers, and sheet protectors. One way to organize a binder is by surname. Let's start with your father. His pedigree chart, his family group sheet, any notes that you have, and any documents that you have. The next section will be his father. The next section after that will be his father, and so on. It's a good thing to put everything in sheet protectors because you'll be referring to this binder often, and that will save wear and tear on the pages. If you have original documents, make a copy and use the copy for your records. Store the original in acid-free sheet protector in a safe place. The advantage of paper records is that you don't need a computer to access them. They're always there. One disadvantage is that you'll end up accumulating a large number of 3-ring binders. There are 2 electronic options: online genealogy sites and software that resides on your computer. Online sites have simple forms that will lead you through entering all of your family information. Online sites are easy to navigate and to use, but they do not print reports or charts. The disadvantage, if you have your data online only, is that someone else holds it, and you only have access through them. Although rare, there certainly have been cases of hacking and catastrophic server outages. Big 3 online sites are Ancestry, Family Search, and MyHeritage. Ancestry is the one we all hear about all the time. You can register and build your tree at no charge. But if you use their search capabilities, they will tell you that they found information about a person, but the details are not available unless you have a paid subscription. There are 2 subscription levels, U.S. and international. These may be paid on a monthly or annual basis. Be careful when you first go to the site. You will be given 2 options. Clicking Free Trial takes you to a page to sign up for a 14-day free trial. It will ask for a credit card. If you do not cancel the free trial before it expires, your credit card will be charged. Clicking Sign In takes you to a page where you can sign in if you already have an account or register for a free account. You will not be asked for a credit card. You will be able to enter your family tree. When you have a subscription, details of search results can be added to your tree, including detailed source citations. One great feature of Ancestry is Ancestry Academy, a collection of how-to videos recorded by Ancestry. About 60 of these are free, but the rest require a subscription. Be sure to check them out. Family Search is entirely free of charge, but you must register. The Church of Latter-day Saints, the Mormons, hosts this site.
The database is enormous, including many worldwide vital statistics, immigration records, and more. Register and try a search on one of your ancestors. This extensive site has a research wiki with more than 89,000 articles. It has instructions for how to use it and also a guided research feature. On MyHeritage, you can create a tree at no charge, or you can sign up for a subscription. There are 3 levels of subscription, each paid on an annual basis. MyHeritage began in Europe. It has a huge base of European family trees from all across Europe. This is a great site if you're looking for European ancestors. There is also family tree software that resides on your computer. Once you've installed it, you can access it without being online. One advantage is that you have complete control over your data. These programs all have extensive features not found on the online sites. They will also print reports and charts such as tree diagrams, ancestry reports, and family group sheets. These will grow as you populate your tree. They're able to flag information that's potentially inaccurate. The 3 most widely used programs are Family Tree Maker, Roots Magic, and Legacy Family Tree. While they all do the same things, each one has a different user interface. Some people contend that Family Tree Maker set the standard for genealogy software. It has extensive abilities, lots of features, prints all kinds of charts and reports. Click on the Help tab to get to the training tutorials and the companion guide. The companion guide is also available as a softcover book. If you create a tree in Family Tree Maker, you can upload that tree to Ancestry.com. Likewise, if you have created a tree on Ancestry, you can download it to Family Tree Maker. There is a synchronize feature that allows you to make changes in one place and have them duplicated in the other. There is no free version of Family Tree Maker. Roots Magic is another very popular application that has been around for 30 years. It's a robust program that also has a broad range of features. You will see that the user interface is much different from Family Tree Maker. Roots Magic allows you to share your tree with Ancestry, but does not synchronize the changes. Roots Magic Essentials is free to download. You can upgrade to a more complete version for a fee. Click on Help to get the Roots Magic Learning Center, where you will find tutorials and short videos. Legacy Family Tree is another program that is in widespread use. Of course, the user interface is unique, very different from the others. There's an extensive array of features. There are training tutorials on the website. You can download the standard edition at no charge. Take a look at Roots Magic and Legacy Family Tree. These free versions are full-featured. They'll do you for many years. This is your opportunity to try before you buy.
As before, there is no best way to organize your information. As you progress, you'll find what works best for you. Be sure to look at the links in the description below and the books that are listed there. The next video, we'll discuss actually doing the research, both online and offline. Please leave a comment or question. Click the subscribe button and the bell in order to be notified when the next video is available. Thanks for watching. See you next time.